Wall towel hooks. Coat hook. Bathroom mat. Black robe hook. SUS 304 stainless steel heavy-duty door hanger. Towel robe. Clothes cabinet. Closet sponges. Hook for bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, hotel, pool. 4 packs. Stainless steel. The towel hook constructed of high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel make it waterproof and rust-proof. Smooth surface. Reduce your annoying cleaning. Simple style design. Our matte black coat hook made of simple style design, which reflects contemporary style. Suitable for your bathroom, bedroom, living room, kitchen, outdoor shower, basement, laundry room and office, and most kinds of room decor. SimplyHooks shower door hooks. Black, 2-pack. Shower towel hook. Shower door hook for frameless glass shower door 3/8 inch, 10 mm. America's #1 shower door hooks. Simtive shower door hooks, 3-pack. Over door hooks for bathroom frameless glass shower door. Towel hooks, shower squeegee hooks, gold. Quick and easy installation. Simply attach the hook to a frameless shower door that is less than 15-30 seconds, 12 mm thick, no drilling or sticking needed. Please note, only for frameless shower, not for framed shower. America's #1 shower door hooks. Our superior black foam-backed hooks are non-slip and bring an elegant look to your bathroom with the brushed steel look. Great for towels or bathrobes, even hang your Bluetooth speaker. jOMOLA 2PCS stainless steel suction cup hook bathroom towel holder utility shower hooks hanger for towel storage kitchen utensil vacuum suction cup hooks, matte black. Stainless steel utility hooks, kitchen utensil storage organizer hanger for counter. Kitchen tool sucker hooks can hang spoon, beater, spatula, scissors, towel and so on. Suction cup hooks for living room or bedroom to hanging bag, cloth, key, scarf and cap. Removable shower suction hooks, bathroom wall hooks hanger for towel, bath robe, coat, washcloth, shower cap, loofah.